Hi, my name is David with ZenTek Consultants. Today, I'm going to be showing you all about our updated exterior ZenTek Revu Tools. Typically, all of our ZenTek Revu Tools contain anywhere from 6 to 10 tool sets within the tool chest. ZenTek Revu Tools exteriors contain 8 different tool sets. Within each tool set, we also have tools. For example, our decking and fencing tool set contains 2 tools for decking and 4 for linear feet for fencing. Let's open up a floor plan and let's just do some basic takeoffs using just our decking and fencing tool set. These are meant for both commercial and residential use, so you can use them interchangeably. So first off, we have 2 decking tools. We have composite and wood decking. Very similar to each other in terms of how they function. They are both area takeoff tools in Bluebeam. And I could just do a simple takeoff. We also have 4 different linear feet tools for all of our fencing. Again, we have wood fencing, vinyl fencing, aluminum fencing, and chain link fencing. And that'll give us our linear feet. As with any of the tools within Bluebeam, you can always change these over from feet to yards to miles to anything else you would really need in terms of the measurement. Up next, we're going to get into some of the demolition tools. Again, we have 4 different types here. We just have a basic demolition line tool. So if I wanted to get rid of this over here, I'm just drawing some random lines just so you guys can see what they look like. That's what the demo looks like. And then again, as with any of the Bluebeam tools, you can modify them to be even a different label or subject. We have demolition area. I'm not going to change the description on this one here. It's just going to say demo description. We have a simple count object called demolish object. Just as, you just click a few times. Just a count object. And then we have a volume. Again, all of these defaults can be changed when you purchase these and start modifying them for yourself. We also have several different types of exterior doors, from residential, commercial, roll-up, bifold, stack, storefront, sliding, and then we also have a linear foot measurement for doors. Again, all of these are very similar in terms of how they function. So again, all of these are just going to be count objects. And the intent of all of these is to always change your label right here. So this may be door type B, for example. When we click on these, it now says door type B. Again, that's just typical with Bluebeam. And last, we also have our regular door or linear feet. I'm going to just draw a straight line up at the top of the drawing. That's a pretty long door. We also have plenty of finishes. Unfortunately, I'm not on an elevation, so this isn't going to pan that well compared to some of the other tools I was using. These are really, again, mostly meant for elevation drawings. I'm just going to draw all of these just so you guys can see what they look like. You could get lintels as well and sills. Going back over to some area tools. And as I mentioned, again, all of these colors, these types can be changed. If you like the name of one of them and you just kind of want to duplicate the effort, you know, if you have another different type of brick, again, swap that label out, swap that color out. It's incredibly easy to do. So I'll just change the last one I put. Just change that over to a purple color, just so I can show you guys how incredibly easy it is to change any of the properties. So it changed this wood siding one right here. It was originally, I want to say like a dark red or like a brownish color. Yeah, brown. And then again, I just changed it to a purple just to show you, again, that customized capability for your takeoffs. We also have openings. Again, all count objects here. So you can easily count, you know, dozens or hundreds if it came down to it. Or you can also use Bluebeam's automatic count tool within search. We do have a few blogs on our website if you guys do want to learn a little bit more about that. I have put the link in the description as well. We have numerous types of roofing with the correct pitch automatically set up for you guys. So we have 412, 512, 712, 612, 812, and 912. All of these are the same with the exception of the pitch. So I just did the 412 here. And now if I did the 9, you can see it's a very similar area in terms of size, but the slope is now a 912 pitch as opposed to this one being a 412 pitch. Zoom in a little bit so you guys can see that a little bit better. You can also do linear feet for flashing. And we also have an area takeoff for a flat roof as well. So just because we have the sloped roofs here, we did not forget about flat roofs. Along with ice guard, insulation, and ridge caps. I'm just going to draw some more things here. So the awkward ice guard. Roofing is just going to be, again, a standard area tool. And we have a linear foot for bridge cap. We also have different types of tools for trim, including a few count tools such as our column or wrap columns, corners for any type of corner pieces or corner guards that you might need, and counts for downspouts. And then various other linear feet tools for, you know, linear feet of gutter, linear foot of downspouts. Again, probably would be best used on an Another type of drawing, not a floor plan. Exterior trim here. Flashing type. Soffit. Soffit is actually going to be an area tool. And then we just have a linear foot of trim board. Our last kind of set of tools in this tool set is going to be all about windows. Again, all of these are very similar to each other. We have custom window, fixed window, single hung, double hung, awning, casement, hopper, sliding, and storefront, along with a linear feet for any type of window as well that may not be covered in one of these count objects. I'm not going to do all of these. I'm only going to be doing a few of them just to show you guys. Now, that explains all of the tool sets. However, all of ZenTek Revu Tools also contain a number of custom columns. To access any of your custom columns, you could go down to your markups list down at the bottom. And for this one, it's pretty basic with you just putting in any type of unit price. And it will do the calculation for you based upon the count, square footage. So we'll do, Demolition probably isn't the greatest one, but our gutter right here, maybe it's $2 a linear foot, pretty expensive for gutter. However, there it is right there, $56 just for that 28-foot piece. Other than that, that is pretty much all about the ZenTek Revu exterior tools. If you guys would like to learn anything else, you can always email us or visit our website for some more information. Other than that, have a good day.